Progressive, it's a constant progression. When you do something and then you try to make it better, always moving, always evolving.
本来呢，我以为他做的是 something Assam laksa 的东西，可能拿来煮酱汁啊，还是什么之类的。但是出来呢，完全不是我可以想象得到的。主厨呢，他不是一个墨守成规的人哦，相反的呢，他特别希望从不同的角度呢去探索跟开发呢食材的诠释方式。
我们所叫的potato glass， 我们用 potato 的皮，我们喜欢用那个皮，因为那个皮就是最有 potato 的味道。So I find that we don't always have to use like expensive ingredients, things like lobster, caviar. Our main focus is wine, but we do have like a few cocktails as well. And then you have the separate dining room inside as well.
蛋黄的部分你就做成这个。
啊，对，
这个是什么？
我们叫做 confit egg yolk，
其实就是油封蛋黄。